Hi everyone, it's Audrey here to let you know about some updates that just arrived in the studio. I'm here in the releases page on our website on chippertools.com, and you can see that we've got two new features. One is sort of a smaller one in the import menu, and the other one is a bigger one that I'll go into more detail on for custom shape anchors. And then, of course, as always, a bunch of fixes and improvements. So let's take a look at custom shape anchors, just so we can see what I mean by that. And I'm going to make a shape like a rectangle, and I'm going to show you what this looks like now. So over here in the parameter panel, I've got an anchor selector, and if I click on that, I can see that there are these sort of standard locations, and this is what you would have been used to if you've used Studio before, to choose a reference point. So I could choose the bottom left, for example, and now what that means is that when I scale the object, it'll scale from the bottom left, and if I turn on my position features, then I can also position that object precisely from that point. But the custom shape anchor updates means that now, in addition to those sort of standard locations on the shape, you can also choose a location that is offset by a little bit. So with the grid, I could offset it by half an inch here because I know that this grid is in half-inch increments. Or if I had a very specific offset in mind, I could make sort of a construction shape. Let's say I wanted to be I'm going to choose the side anchor this time. Let's say I want it to be, I don't know, 0.323 inches away. Now, if I grab my shape and I go into the anchor selector, my cursor becomes an anchor placement device. Again, I can still choose the standard ones, but I can also go in here and I can set that custom anchor over here. So what that means now is, let's say I wanted these rectangles at this increment along a line, I can just duplicate it and then drag it over, and it'll snap the reference point to the previous one. So it's a really nice way to just move things around with reference to things, and it's right there in the menu that you're used to, and it's just as easy as a click. That's it.